What is going on, my YouTube family? Hopefully all you guys are doing great. Sorry I'm a little bit sweaty. I came from the outside world, just came to pick up some mail that I picked up. I was looking to replace the original seat. Currently, they gave me this, which, if you see it, it looks pretty good. It matches almost. The only thing that is missing is that it doesn't have like those metal flakings that the color has, if you can see that. This does not have it. That's the only issue. Not that I can see. No, it does not. So anyway, it doesn't matter because from a distance you won't be able to tell unless if you're really looking for it. I'm gonna go ahead and do like a quick kind of an install thing. So it came with these little rubber grommets, if you can see that, which go directly underneath in that form. So we're gonna go ahead and put those in, and then we'll put it on the back of the bike and see how it looks when it's completed. So I'm gonna set you guys down, and I'm gonna go ahead and put these little rubber grommet pieces on. So the lesson here is, if you have a flathead screwdriver, to push these little rubber pieces down because they are super soft and super hard to push through the actual hole. But once you jam it in a little bit with a flathead screwdriver, you'll be fine. Gently though, you don't want to break these little rubber pieces. But yeah, let's go ahead and check it out. Ready? Hopefully it'll fit. If I can get it to fit. If this doesn't fit, I'm gonna be upset. It should fit. Oh, there we go. Okay. Wow, there it is. All right, let's clean it because she looks dirty. All right, you guys, there you have it. She looks good. Mind you, this thing was like 30 bucks. It doesn't look bad at all. Wow. Yeah, it's dope. It gives it a different aesthetic look. I think essentially I would want to maybe make the colors match perfectly, because as you can see how this has a little metal flakings and this one's just a gloss black color. Hopefully you guys can tell, but it's kind of hard to tell. You can see the glitter on the black. This one does not have that. This is just like a gloss black opposed to that. So essentially I think I would want to like match the color, but we shall see. But for now, when you stand at a distance, you can't tell. So, but it looks amazing. Look at that. That looks great. I'm excited. The simple little things that makes this bike look amazing. Yeah, it gives it an aesthetically pleasing look. So there you guys have it. Good morning, my Moto family. I am literally just waking up and I went to go look and see, and apparently I have a package that came in that wasn't supposed to come in until tomorrow. So what? Hopefully they deliver it to the right house. I don't know. Yeah, no, it's here. Yeah, it's here. Oh, you guys are gonna laugh when you guys see this, because yeah. I'm just gonna say that my OCD kept kicking in every time I looked at this, and I will explain. Let's do a quick, I guess, little quick unboxing video. So that's somewhat this way. So here is the package. Let's take a peek at it. And you'll see that I did another unboxing just previous to this one. Ooh, this feels so nice. So yes, I went with the actual. Oh, what? Well, a lot more high quality, I tell you that. Okay, so here's the aftermarket cowl that I received, that I got. I know. It looks good, but however, if you look at the paint job, see? The little sparkles. That was killing me. I was like, oh my gosh, it doesn't sparkle. What is going on? Why is it not sparkling? It has the same paint color, but it doesn't have the same, it drove me nuts. So this is why I actually went with the OEM, the actual original. I know my fingers are, and that goes with it perfectly. So yeah, my OCD kicked in overdrive. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take this bad boy out and then put the new one in. Now, this doesn't, oddly enough, this doesn't have the bottom piece is what's crazy. Look how, I'm gonna show you guys the difference. All right, so here is the aftermarket part. This is OEM from BMW factory. So initially, I saw this, I'm like, yes, it matches perfectly, I'm excited, etc., etc., etc. However, what? There is nothing. This thing came by itself, okay? Nobody explained to me that the OEM seat cowl, see this, at least comes with this part where it latches into the back and all that good stuff. This has absolutely nothing. So be careful buying these parts. They don't tell you that you need to purchase the actual pieces for it. So here I have the parts that go into this cowl. So you see there's some screws that go in here, and apparently all that stuff is in here. I haven't unpacked it yet, so we're gonna go ahead and do that now and check it out. But I highly advise you guys, if you guys are gonna go with the OEM to match up your paint scheme, go through BMW, but make sure you order everything, as I did not do that part. So that's basically it. So we got here, there's a bunch of bolts in there. There's this thing here. I feel like this is a lot of bolts for that one piece, but okay. Yeah. I don't know what to make of this, but okay, we'll figure it out, I guess. Hopefully this time we get to find out if we get to get this part going again, because last time we were missing parts. So went to Sky Power Sports, finally got the pieces that I needed, which are these pieces right here, the little rubber pieces that go underneath the bike. They only gave me one part. This is the part that looks like that goes underneath, or the plastic piece goes, the seat cowl goes over this part, which I think this is so asinine. This is supposed to go all together. Now I'm gonna come back over here so you can see the difference. I mean, this is a piece that I bought online. It was like 30 bucks. But of course, because the paint doesn't match perfectly, because it's like just a black and this one is like a metallic black. You can see that. And this is like regular gloss black. So I wanted those colors to match because it was really bothering me. But as you can see, that's where, where the price point comes in, where you can see the piece that this plastic piece, the original, is in that little bag over there. So this is supposed to go here and clip onto this piece. So yeah, that's basically how it goes. Hopefully this is the right part for this, because if not, I'm going to be very upset. This is the third try, the third come around for this bike. Oh yeah, it does, okay. Oh well, oh, that's right, it doesn't have all the parts to it. Apparently these parts are supposed to go in here somehow. There's no instructions to it. These are the parts for it. Here's the rubber piece that goes with that, which I pulled this off the rear seat from the original seat that came with the bike. So I guess we're installing this in there, and we shall see how it goes. Quick comparison, here is the Aftermarket, which doesn't look bad, and then here is the OEM. Oh, it's got some weight to it now. So let's go ahead and fit it onto the bike, see how it looks. It should fit in nicely now. Should have no issues whatsoever. Oh. There we go. It's fitted in perfectly. It is perfectly matching now. Perfectly matches with the paint job. Beautiful. It's a little dirty, but it's got the same paint scheme. So finally, I know you couldn't tell the difference from a distance. You can't tell the difference, but now I'm super happy. It feels very high quality too. So, which is great. All right, you guys, well, that concludes this video for that. Luna is coming together. I have some headers coming in. I just ordered them, I think it was yesterday, which was Friday, January 14th. Yeah, Luna has some parts coming in for her, so I am super stoked about that. I can't wait to see that. And thank you guys for joining in.